Let's have a look at week three's extra hot challenge. Here we've got Groot and Rocket, and they take some batteries from Aisha. They give 3/4 of the batteries to Yondu and split the rest evenly between themselves. Yondu has 45 more batteries than Groot, and we want to know how many batteries did they take from Aisha. So let's start with the whole amount, and the whole amount here is the number of batteries that they take from Aisha. What do they do with that whole amount? They give 3/4 to Yondu, so let's split this bar into quarters. And we know that 3 of those belong to Yondu, and they keep that quarter for themselves. Once they've given some of those to Yondu, the next thing they do is split the rest evenly between themselves. So we're going to split that quarter into 2 parts, which means they're going to get 1/8 each. Now the next thing it tells us is that Yondu has 45 more batteries than Groot. So let's just take those parts and lay them out slightly differently. There's the 6/8 that Yondu had, 1/8 for Groot, and 1/8 for Rocket. Now we know that the difference between Yondu and Groot is 45 batteries, so let's put that in there. And we can see that that represents 5 of those eighths, which means we're going to split that 45 batteries equally between those 5 parts. And when we do that, we know that there are 9 batteries in each of those. Now, if each of those eighths was worth 9 batteries, that other eighth is also worth 9 batteries, as is the eighth that belonged to Rocket and the eighth that belonged to Groot. So I can now see that Yondu has got 54 batteries altogether. He's got 6 lots of 9. Groot has got 9 batteries and Rocket has got 9 batteries, which means the total amount that they took from Aisha must be 72 batteries.